How to change your name in Bybit. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to change your name in the Bybit application, then first of all, open the Bybit app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account. After you're signed in, go to the upper left corner and tap on the profile icon from the home screen. Now you'll end up in this page where you'll need to tap the gear icon at the top right, and this will take you to My Info page. Here, click on the nickname option and enter a new nickname you want to change to and click Save. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your nickname or your name in the Bybit application. So there you have it. Your new name will reflect inside the page. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.